My name is Wayne Rose, and I work for New River Electrical. I'm working at Takoma Park. We are installing GIS for Pepco Energy. So the scope of the project is that we're taking the overhead lines underground. We're installing 28 GIS breakers, and we're refeeding the transformer ring out in the field. So you can get more production, more electricity out of a gas insulated system. You could take a substation and add 10 into one building. It uses to compact it, multiple breakers into one area. For me, seeing as it coming out the ground, seeing where it's at right now, and with the GIS system, that's what I think makes it unique. We've been doing this for at least a good, I say 10 years, and we learned from the best, and we got good guys on it, you know. Safety is very important. You know, you want to come in and you want to go home the same way you came in. You know, we got a good safety team at New River Electrical. And as foremen, you know, we try to look out for each every single one of our guys, make sure they're safe and doing the task safe with the proper tools and the proper equipment. This is a family. You got a good set of guys here. If I need anything, it's just a phone call away. I mean, if I don't know it, the next guy knows it. I mean, we got a good team here.